The Kentucky International Convention Center, KICC, formerly called the Commonwealth Convention Center, is a large multi-use facility in Louisville, Kentucky, United States. It, along with the Kentucky Exposition Center, hosts conventions for the Louisville area. It was built on the site of the Tyler Block and opened in 1977. The facility is currently closed for a major expansion and renovation project that began in August 2016 and is scheduled for completion in August 2018. While the convention center does not have a permanent arena, it still has hosted various sporting events, including the 2002 Ohio Valley Conference men's basketball tournament and the NCAA Division II men's basketball tournament from 1995 to 2000. It also hosted select University of Louisville women's basketball games from the 1989-90 season through 1992-93, and again in the 1994-95, 2001, and 2008-09 seasons. One of the exhibit halls was temporarily turned into an arena, with seats for about 7,000. This facility is not to be confused with the Louisville Gardens, which was called the Convention Center or the Louisville Convention Center in the 1960s and 1970s until the Kentucky International Convention Center was being built in 1975 when the Louisville Gardens received its current name. See also Todd Building, demolished in 1983 to make way for a new state parking garage to support the KICC. List of attractions and events in the Louisville metropolitan area. Official website.